Okay, LG washing machine, front loader. There's a model number which you'll need, and we're having a consistent problem with door error. If you look it up on YouTube, you'll see loads of videos on this. I'll just show you. Close the door. Door is closed. Turn it on. Set it. Double click. Another double click, and door error. So we've tried slamming the door, holding the door up a little and pushing it in, but we're going to work now on changing the door lock. Alright, so we're going to have to remove these two Phillips screws, and that gives us access to the door lock. We've also have to, as you can see down here, is a spring clamp that holds on this rubber stripping here, and we're going to have to remove that. I'm just going to put a screwdriver down here and then peel it all out, and that's going to give us access to pull out this weather stripping. That'll give us access to pull out this rubber seal. Okay, see part of the spring on this end right here, and see, this kind of comes with you. Okay, so put that up here, and you can see now we have access to get in here. So before I forget, safety precautions first. Make sure before you get involved with removing this door switch, you unplug the washing machine. You don't need to get an electrical shock. Okay, so 2 Phillips screws. There's one, and just in case, I'm going to stick my hand back here to make sure the door lock does not fold down after I remove that Phillips screw. And here's our door switch, and there's a connection, electrical connection. Let me make sure you can see that. Okay, so you can see that electrical connection, and we're going to push in this button right here and remove the connector. So our connection was kind of tight. Had to rock it back and forth as I was pushing the release in, and now we have our door lock removed. Alright, resuming. Stalled a little bit because based on the model number, I ordered the part, and the part arrived, and once I took out the original door lock, I saw they were quite different. So don't rely on what it says on the web. So then I took the part number right off of the door lock, and I ordered another one. As you can see, this one is exactly the same. So we'll reinstall this new one now. Okay, it only goes in one way. The plug only fits in one way with a lock. Make sure I get it in all the way. You'll hear a little click. Okay. It's all in. Make sure you see, it only fits in one way. Phillips. Gonna hold on to it. Make sure it doesn't push in. I'm screwing it in. Not going to make it completely tight. Always leave it a little loose so I can line up the second screw first. Now tighten them both up. Okay, now you want to make sure that there's a groove you have to fit this seal back into on the tub. Basically, you're pushing it down and it locks in once you do that. Feel it locking in. Looks like the best way is just pull it down, push it forward, and let it lock in. Kind of check it. Feel if it's locked in. Okay. Next thing. All right. Push it in. There's a groove it fits right into. Get around. Same thing on the other side. There. After that, kind of just work it in with a screwdriver into the groove. Make sure you don't want to cut this rubber. Just be careful. Alright, looks like it's in there, but you want to double check. Work it all the way around, make sure it's sitting right. That's good. Check the door. Okay. Alright, getting ready to test it. As soon as I plug it back in, door seems to close okay. Lock looks like it's okay. So let me plug it in. I'll put it on there. But the part number's on the back, on the black. That's the LG part number. Here we go. Power on. Hear that? Door locked. It's running. No clicks, no noise. You can see it spinning. That seemed like it was a problem. I'm going to shut it off and try it one more time. Alright, shut it off. Unlocked, you heard that. Power on. Door locked. See the button right there. Water running through. Okay, looks like it's good to go.